So it was back in October 2016 when I got the Bose QC30 headphones, and I was really excited because of the noise cancellation. One of the disappointing things, and it has been mentioned by a lot of people who do like the headphones, is they can't use it on a plane, especially if they want to watch any of the videos, movies, whatever it is that is on the display in the seat in front of them. Now, obviously today there are devices that you can most likely watch on that device, whether it's your phone or a tablet or even your computer, but there's still those flights where you might want to watch what is directly on the seat in front of you, especially if it's going to be TV. So I wanted to share with you a solution which you might be aware of, you may not, and I did a review on this similar, very same product under a different name that is labeled right on the product. So I'm going to post the review here following this. So it's the same product, again, just labeled differently. It's this transmitter. It's a TX RX transmitter. I use this with my computer laptop, with my AirPods at work because my work computer doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. So I just connect this right into the headset jack, and then I can listen to it with my AirPods. And the same thing, what you would do is you would just plug this into the front of the seat in front of you, and then your Bose QC30 headphones, you'll be able to listen because they'll be connected up, and then you've got your charger. It's a really nice small device. I turned it on this morning around 9:30, and it was after 5 o'clock it was still going, so it works really well. You can see real small. You got the headset jack, you got your charger port, and then where you would change it from the RX and the TX. So the TX is the mode you would put it into for listening with your QC30 headphones and the audio and video that's on your screen. The RX is for the mode, so if I want to use my phone and listen to it, for example, in my car speakers, then I can do that as well. So again, it is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver 2-in-1 adapter. It's got the receiver mode, which I mentioned to you, which is the non-Bluetooth home car stereo audio speaker to Bluetooth speaker. And the transmit mode is for non-Bluetooth TV, MP3, CD, DVD, transmit audio, music, and to Bluetooth speaker headset. And its range is, it says here, 10 meters. So if I remember, I didn't really test the range on this one, but it was decent range, and I was really using it right around my desk. But I think I was able to get around 22 feet, and you'll see that in the review as I did on the same product like this one. So I'm going to put a link where you can order this. This is very, very affordable. In fact, I'm probably going to get a second one I have in my car. I got the auxiliary jack, so instead, because I've got a second phone for work, and sometimes I want to listen to some stuff off of that, but I don't want to connect it to my Bluetooth connection in my car. So I can just use this device, and I'm good to go. And it sounds really good, by the way. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this will resolve your issue when looking to watch and view and hear whatever you're on the plane, and you can continue enjoying the Bose QC30 headphones. Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and in my hand I've got a really cool device by Allier Go. It is a receiver and transmitter for which I use with my laptop and Bluetooth headphones, and it's a great way if you want to listen to music or audio, whether you're using your laptop, through your phone and your Bluetooth speaker. This device can do all, both transmitting and receiving. I use this every day in my office, and I love it, and I'll demonstrate to you now how it works and what is included. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate using these two devices, my iPad and my Bluetooth speaker. Now, I'm going to show you with using the Bluetooth and without using the Bluetooth on the speaker with this device. So first, what we're going to do is the receive mode. So I'm going to plug into the audio connection here, and that will allow me to listen to audio coming from my iPad. And this would be the kind of the same thing as if you had a laptop. and we'll make sure that the Bluetooth is disconnected here. But first we need to connect this device to my iPad. So what we're going to do, let me just unplug this a moment. I'm going to press and hold, actually let me go ahead, and it's now looking for other devices, so I'm going to press and hold the button in until it's going to flash red and blue. So now it's flashing red and blue, and let's see if it picks up the device. It's looking for other devices, and there is the device AG002, and it is now connected, and you'll see it's no longer flashing, it's just flashing blue. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I'm going to go ahead and it also shows connected AG002. I'm going to plug this into the audio portion of the speaker here, and I think I still need to power it on, but we'll see here in a moment. Here we go, and let's see, still might need to power it on. We do need to power it on. Give it a second to power on, and there you go. Now it's, so you can hear the music is coming on. Let me make it a little louder. So you can see, and just to show you, the speaker is not connected by Bluetooth, which is the P2. It's not connected. The music is transmitting through this device here. So let me go ahead and pause that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show where we're going to use the transmission mode next. So now what I want to do is I am going to, first, we're going to connect these two devices to speak to each other. I'm going to turn it back on to put into Bluetooth pairing mode. So now it's in pairing mode, and I'm going to press and hold this for it to go into pairing mode. So these two devices should be able to speak to each other. We'll give it a minute. Okay, so now these two devices are speaking to each other, and I am going to go ahead and plug this in. This is connected. You could see there's no Bluetooth connection on. I'm going to connect this into the head. Let me just make sure that it's plugged in. It should be plugged in. And there you go. So this device now is speaking to my Bluetooth speaker in the TX mode. As you can see, it is in the TX mode there. So it's a really great device. I use this every day with my laptop. I put this into the TX mode, and then I use it with my Bluetooth headphones so I can listen to music right from my laptop. It works perfectly. I get range when I walk away from my computer as far as 20-25 feet. So it's a really nice small device, and then you charge it up and you're good to go. So click on the link where you get more information on this transmitter device, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.